I'm taking you guys along as I pack for my trip to the east coast of Australia for just over a month. So I've got some packing cubes. I'm going to get these out and see what they're like. Yeah, let's see what these are like. These are from Tesco. They're like £2 something. So I like the colour of them though, they're kind of cute. So we've got a large one. This one to start off with. This one will probably be ideal for like smaller bits, like maybe bikinis. Medium sized one, probably ideal for t-shirts and things maybe. Not really sure where to start, to be honest, but I think I need to bring you down so you can actually see the suitcase. But yeah, we're on the floor. So yeah, the suitcase I'm bringing is this, so it's kind of like in between. It's not like cabin case, and it's not like I guess a full size. Like it's big enough, but I think it's quite a good size, so that's what I'm going with. We'll see how light I can pack. I'm really on a mission to pack light, so we'll see.
So I was just sorting through my wardrobe drawers, having a look at all the different tops I actually had and what I might want to bring. Obviously kept it quite open at this point, and then had to narrow it down a little bit later on. But yeah, just looking at all the bits I had and things that I actually might want to take. Also giving them a sniff to make sure they were, you know, as clean as they should be, let's put it that way. But yeah, so that was just kind of the process, literally dumping everything on the floor, well, on the case, and then it was kind of actually the hard part was sorting through it, you know, and deciding what I was gonna not be able to take and what I could manage to fit in there. So yeah, I was also getting some shorts out as well because they were in the same drawer.
People say halve it and halve it again, so I'm gonna do that with everything individually. So tops wise, I think I just need to like do what I really like and then what I could bring, and then try and work that out. This is like a jumpsuity thing, quite good for like a play suit, I guess. I don't know, it's quite good for like the beach and stuff, like because you can just throw it on. I quite like to bring it. It's quite light and small, so I may as well. I definitely want to bring this. It's just cute. So maybe it is a vibe, maybe I'm feeling a bit brat. I think that's a good going out top. Blue, it's basically the same thing but in blue. I'm thinking yes. I'm not going to put them with yet, but this is also cute, like I think it's cool. I just think it's cool.
Then I had to go through everything and actually figure out what the hell I was gonna chuck and what I was actually going to bring. I love that yellow top, so that's definitely going in. I was just debating basically what things I could get away without. Love that top as well, it's so cute and just so easy to throw on at the beach.
This is going out, I feel like, so may as well bring that. It should go with most things. So I'll put it in this pile for now. Again, you could probably go out in this. It's just a plain top though, so I don't know. And this is the same one in a different colour. I feel like again this is quite easy to wear, so maybe going out top. I'm not really cutting this down very much yet, but I guess I'll have to if it's too much. This I like, it's long sleeve, but I think that's cool and it's got like a backless.
The next internal debate was about whether I brought my flares with me and this Josie top. I don't think I ended up packing the Josie top in the end, but they all seem to be going in the same pile, which is a bit worrying. I was actually finding it quite difficult to make decisions and be tough with myself about what I was packing at this point.
Blue, I think the blue's a bit much. I think I'm going to leave the blue. I'm going to go with that one, that one. What am I going to wear with these? Jeans. Jeans, I've got jeans. Definitely want to bring that. I definitely think this will go with most things again, so I may as well bring it. This, it will go with things, like it just will.
Then it was a case of actually figuring out what goes together, because that kind of did make my decision on whether I could actually bring certain things. So that was kind of my decision maker for some of the things. As you can kind of see, I was just a bit like, what do I take? What do I not? Like, I had piles of stuff, but I feel like the pile was just one pile.
I think I might leave this one. This is just, like, you can't go wrong with it. I feel like I just need to do more washing. Do I bring this? Maybe I'll buy t-shirts out there. Okay, one t-shirt. One long sleeve. And this is another day daytime top. So that's like daytime clothes, and I think there's actually still space in there. Definitely want to bring this top. Roll it up. Rolling it up takes so long. Black top. Roll it up, baby. Things like this, like it's like, you may as well take it because it takes up no room. Oh, it's gonna be a weird one. But I reckon it'll be fine. Number 2. That's going in the suitcase. So I'm not bringing those. Right, I'm gonna have to go putting the bikinis in here, but that might be too small. Green and blue bikini. Cherries. I don't think this is gonna work. Not gonna have to. Seems a bit excessive putting them in like a seat, but I think I'm gonna have to do it. I really love this one, it's so cool. And I just love the patterns on it. How cute these patterns are, they're so cute. So this has got me my favourite, so it's definitely coming with me. Oh, and I'm starting to think maybe that's too many. We'll find out when the case isn't shut, I guess. Oh, we've got this from Pull & Bear. And I think I still need to put like jeans and stuff in, so that is not ideal. But that's the current state of affairs.
That's all my pants, bras and socks.
Oh god. See. Right, that's definitely full, so now we just need to compress. It's getting a bit tight. Let's put the trousers in there for now. I don't want it to pop, and then that will be a packing cube literally broken. Build that one up a bit more. So, I'm basically not packing light at this point. I think I'm just overpacking. That's got still a bit of space as well. Right, I'm gonna have to change my mind. I do kind of prefer these. I think I'm gonna go with them. Right, this coat. What am I done? Not really any room to bring anything new, is there? I thought I did better than I had. I'm gonna have to repack it because I don't have any space left in that suitcase for like anything other than mind the stuff all under my bed, but I don't have any space in that suitcase for anything. Like, I haven't got any space for toiletries, I haven't got any space for shoes. There's still so much. Okay. Okay. Guys, it's actually really hard. How the hell is this gonna fit in? Like, I am contemplating life and why I can't pack light. God. Right, I'm gonna have to regroup, come back. So it's a bit later on now, but I've spent like the last hour just like taking some things out that I didn't need, and just being harsh with myself because I can't take it all, and I want some space just in case I do buy bits there, which I inevitably will. Just take you down to the floor now to show you what I've packed. Let me just show you quickly. So this is the case, and I can actually do it up just like this. So underneath this packing cube, I've got my makeup, which I've stored, and hair stuff. All my toiletries are in here in this hanging bag. So shower stuff on top, razor, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and a hairbrush. And then underneath, like contact lenses, deodorant, moisturizer, and my face cleanser. And they all fit quite nicely down there because this packing cube isn't too full. I will be adding a pair of shorts or two into there, so yeah, but they're like gym shorts. They should fit quite compactly. Obviously my wet bag's there, and yeah, nothing else has really changed, but I did have to move things around a little bit and obviously take some stuff out. I think I've done a pretty decent job considering I was really struggling at the start to fit everything in, but yeah, we are now at a point where at least things fit in and it's closing fairly easily. It's not like I have to sit on it to close it. I have had to take some stuff out. I'm going to show you actually what I've taken out. A few tops here. These are all discarded things I've decided not to take. I just can't. Don't know about this pair of jeans. I mean, I would quite like to take them as well, but yeah, anyway. I've taken a few things out, but what can you do? Thank you so much for watching, and obviously the lighting has changed a lot through the video because it's quite late now. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and yeah, basically it's just been a long day of packing. But yeah, thank you for coming along the journey, and of course follow, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and stuff. I'm going to be posting what I packed in my hand luggage bag on TikTok, so obviously stay tuned for that. In fact, that's probably already up because it's going to be a lot of shorter video to edit, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and come back for more. Definitely come back for more.